In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up L2TP VPN on Windows. So the first thing you may want to do is open up Control Panel on your PC, and once inside, click on Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Then here, select Set up a new connection, then connect to a workplace. Then next, select Use My Internet Connection VPN. And here, basically enter in your VPN server address and also give the connection a name and press the Create button. Once done, in the left panel, click on Change Adapter Settings. Then next is right-click on your VPN connection, then select Properties. So here, switch to the Security tab and set the type of VPN into L2TP or layer 2 tunneling protocol. Then click on advanced settings and here select use pre-shared key and enter your pre-shared key. Then once done, press OK and also ensure that data encryption is set to require encryption. And once done, click OK. So every time you connect, you might be prompted to enter your username and password to log in. And once connected, test your VPN by checking your IP address. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!